What up, guys? Thanks for dropping by again. Gonna do the transmission fluid on the 1LE here today. Obviously, step one, get it all jacked up, right? After that, get underneath, you're gonna locate the trans temp sensor. I know there's some other videos out there, you probably follow those ones as well, but you're gonna wanna make sure you disconnect that sensor. I'll get into the car here in a second. You need a 22 millimeter to loosen that out. Obviously, make sure you can get off the fill plug before proceeding, otherwise that's not good. I'll be using some Redline D4 ATF, as you can see over there. So I'll be filling that up and I'll show you the tool I'll be using. But all in all, it's pretty straightforward. You know, we just have a drain plug and a fill plug. Probably the most time consuming things is just getting the car jacked up. But stay tuned, thanks. All right, guys, once underneath, you're gonna wanna make sure you disconnect the trans temp sensor here. I just tucked it up here, as you can see, out of the way. 22 to loosen this. And then you're gonna see the fill plugs up there. We'll have to get that off. I think these are adjustable, like you can move these out of the way if you need to. I don't think I will, but yeah, stay tuned. Just gonna get that off. All right, guys, broke loose that. I didn't have a 22, so I used just a wrench, adjustable wrench, but made it work. Just gotta be careful not to tear it up too much. It scorched a little bit, but none of the edges are, you know, ruled or anything, so good to go. I'll continue to get that going. You'll see this drain here in a second.
Ladies and gentlemen.
There we go. All right, guys, I'm going to be using the Redline D4 ATF. This is the pump I'll be using, same one I used for when I did the diff fluid. Just cleaned it out really, really well. Shouldn't take too long. I know some guys on other YouTube videos saying they were pumping away for a hot minute, but I think this will flow pretty quickly. Stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like underneath the car after getting everything drained out. All right, so you can see I got the fill plug out, drain plug reinstalled. We're going to go ahead and throw the tube in there and start pumping away. All right, you guys can see what I'm doing. Just pumping away. Finish the last one. This is number 2. I got number 3 going. See my system. Gotta pump your meat, right? I think it's like 12 ounces on the next one, 20 ounces. I gotta double check the measurement. 20 ounces sounds too much, but I'll finish this third one off.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, got everything all put back together. You didn't see the last bit of me torquing it down. I believe the torque specs are 20 foot-pounds. Just be careful on the fill plug. Obviously, you don't want to over-tighten that. And pretty much just gotta drive a little bit, make sure the sensors working for the transmission sensor. And next I got to do my brake fluid. You guys already seen that. I might show that here in a second. And get those Nankangs on my other set of wheels. Thank you guys for stopping by. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. More kind of content coming. Appreciate everyone. Thanks.